Hey, no need to be afraid. It's your boy, John Rendez. Who loves you, baby? I do. John Rendez, number one, Sapusa Mo Eddie. Wow! Would you believe this weather we're having? OMG. Such a beautiful weather. Such a beautiful night. Hey, be safe. Always wear a mask. Cover up. Get creative with it. Let your inner ghoul show. I don't know. But see, I can't say it's a quiet night in Eastwood because I'm still awake. How the hell am I gonna go to sleep with some fucking wind banging on my window saying, like, oh shit. I'm gonna watch some TVs. I'm watch some cartoons and shit. Yo, see? It's a beautiful night here in Eastwood. I'm telling you all to bundle up, cover up, stay safe, stay warm, stay sweet. It's your boy who loves you, baby. I do. John Rendez, number one, Sapuso Mo Eddie. Wow.